So there we are today, sharing the pond with Gorleston Model Boat Club and the Fast Electrics on this side. It's nice, we're having a really good day. Lots of good fun. We've also got the rescue boat here and people have got waders. So I like that, we're all really set up.
Somewhere. I'm sure you'll figure it out. I have got it all. Even away from the board, you can't go reverse. Yeah, it works alright, but you can't go too fast. That'll just
The weather's
alright, isn't it?
down here somewhere. There's Dave very kindly going. There he is, it's come up, Dave. It's come up just as you're going in. Thank you.
I threatened it by going in.
You did. Well, thanks, Dave, for doing that.
That's all right.
Now, there was a lot of mess around the prop, so I need to clean that off. My boat actually went under and it kind of did its usual thing where it ran underwater. It did that twice, but the first time it actually destroyed the battery, so the second time hopefully it come up again. That one's alright. I like it when it does that. I just don't need to get rid of the batteries, that's the only thing.
Time for getting up.
It's going round and round under the water.
turn things on the side, I've really angled them out, and I think they should really be back to where they were. They're a lot more scary.
Points in the lid. Or is it going to sink?
No, the lid won't sink.
No.
No.
There's mine up there.
Keep moving away from it.
I hope you're going to put the Jaws music on this.
Further down the water, David.
On the front, on the side,
There's the boat. They've got the bottom as well.
your boat's mega heavy. That's what we push it for.
It's a splat, isn't it? That's carrying a lot of weight, that was.
Yeah, I think
That's what we do it.
Supposed to be very
shaft that needs freezing again.